Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to filter lists in Microsoft Lists step by step. Filtering helps you quickly find the exact information you need and makes managing large lists much easier. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Lists and navigate to the list you want to filter. At the top right of the list, click the filter icon, which looks like a funnel. A filtering pane will appear on the side of your screen. From here, select the checkboxes to filter by specific column values and narrow down your results. Microsoft Lists allows you to filter data in different ways depending on the information you want to see. For example, you can filter by issue, priority, status, assigned to, or files to quickly find specific items, urgent tasks, delayed work, items assigned to you, or entries without attachments. To return to the full list view, simply click Clear Filters at any time. And that's it. You now know how to filter lists in Microsoft Lists quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft 365 tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.